If you're looking for a social media marketing course on Coursera, you might be wondering if it's actually worth your time and money. In this Coursera social media marketing review, I'll cover the best courses, what you'll learn, and whether Coursera Plus offers the best value. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. One of the best beginner options is the Social Media Content and Strategy course by Adobe. This course has a 4.7-star rating and teaches content creation, social media strategy, branding, audience targeting, visual storytelling, and Adobe Express. It's a great choice if you want to build a strong foundation in social media marketing. Another excellent choice is the Coursera Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly professional certificate has a 4.5-star rating with more than 3,800 reviews. You'll learn content creation, Meta Ads Manager, Canva, video editing, campaign management, copywriting, social media analytics, and AI-powered marketing skills. It's ideal if you want practical, job-ready experience. If you're looking for the most recognized credential, I recommend the Meta Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate. With a 4.8-star rating and over 23,000 reviews, it's one of the most popular marketing programs on Coursera. You'll learn social media strategy, Meta Ads Manager, content creation, audience targeting, campaign management, marketing analytics, and digital marketing from the company behind Facebook and Instagram. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you want to learn social media marketing, digital marketing, SEO, AI, or business skills, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. Individual learning programs often cost between $49 and $79 per month. Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of the regular $59. That makes it much easier to earn multiple certificates while saving money. If you're serious about building social media marketing skills, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.